Dr. Pepper, and Mr. Beast chocolate bars. Let's test some foreign foods. Let's get it. So first, we're starting off with this Dr. Pepper limited edition, by the way. So let me read you. Okay, hold on. I can't really see stuff because there's a freaking sticker because it was imported. Let me cut to when I get it. So, you will be a little bit impressed. So, there's only, out of this whole can, which I think is 330 milliliters, there's only 3 calories of product. And it includes fat, 0 grams, and saturates, 0 grams, carbohydrate, which is 0%, of which sugars is 0%, protein is 0 grams, and salt is 0 grams. So yeah, let's test this. Alright, so let's crack it open. Already pretty good sound. And let's try it. It's cherry, so yeah. Wow. Exactly what I expected. Definitely. So it's cherry crush, which is kind of cool. Fortunately, there's a bit of dent there, right here, which is a bit weird. So, Anyways, I'll give this a 8 out of 10. Let's see. Let's double check. Definitely an 8 or an 8.5 out of 10. So this is pretty good. And let's move on to something that I've been waiting for. Alright. Moving on to the Mr. Beast creamy peanut butter cups. So let's read the ingredients. So there's 569 calories, which is a lot for just 2. Well, of course, this is American. What would you think it is? Which includes a total fat of 38 grams, of which saturates, so that's basically, I don't know, is 16 grams. Carbohydrate is 42 grams, of which sugars is a lot, is 38 grams. Fiber is 3.8 gram. This is incredible. Protein is 12 grams. So there's 12 grams of protein in here, which is amazing. And then salt, 1.1 gram. I guess for the peanut butter. So yeah, let's crack this open. Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's see how good that looks like. Alright, so they first come in a little plate like this. Of course, you've got the Feastable logo, because this is Mr. Beast that made it. Pretty cool how they did the Feastable logo. Pretty cool. And also the little lightning that represents the little tiger of Mr. Beast. If you guys don't know, Mr. Beast actually used to have a little tiger for his profile picture. So yeah, before this thing melts, I'll eat it. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, cheers. Oh my gosh. These are so good. Oh my days. I'm not even exaggerating. This is actually real good. But I'm still munching. Very good. I'm not gonna eat the other one because yeah, it's a little bit too much chocolate in it too. Yeah, because there's 38 grams of sugar in here. Oh wait, how much? No, I'm not right. No, I'm actually right. It's 38 grams. So here I just consumed 6 grams of protein. For me, it's kind of good. I never consume protein. Oh gosh. Let me just put this in here. Oh my gosh. Just put this back in here. So, Mr. Beast Feastables creamy peanut butter, I would say, is a good, and I'm not gonna exaggerate, Chuck, is a 9.5 out of 10. These are so good, man. I don't know which one they had as well. I think they had like milk chocolate. Like, I don't know what it was. But these are really good. Especially, I love peanut butter. And so is my dog, because if you guys... God. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Bro, this thing is carbonated. Oh my god. If you didn't know, guys, peanut butter, you can actually give it to your dogs. Except this, you can't. Because this would kill your dogs. I'm gonna be totally honest. This would kill your dogs, bro. These would kill your dogs. You know why? There's chocolate. Chocolate can literally kill dogs. If people didn't know this, then that's really... If you have a dog and you didn't know that, that's actually kind of serious, though. But peanut butter is really healthy for them. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this, I would say, medium long video. And yeah, guys, this is Skills and peace out.